Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Chatgpt. So first let's go to zapier.com and click on create a zap. So now let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be Facebook Messenger, and when there will be a new message on the page, click continue, select your page and click continue. And then let's test our trigger. Click on test trigger and then you can see it. So now click continue and then our action will be Chatgpt. So now let's just create a conversation. And now you have to authorize Chatgpt with Zapier, so you can do that in just few clicks. So now click continue and test action. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next.